How to share Instagram Reels to TikTok. To get started, first of all, open up the Instagram application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Instagram homepage. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Now, go to your feed and open any of your Reels. If you want to share this Reel, go to the right side of the screen. Then, tap on the share icon as shown. Here, you can view all the sharing options as well as other options below. Swipe left and tap on Copy Link at the bottom. Now go back to your main menu and open up Safari. Search for Instagram Reels Downloader and open the page. Once you're on this page, paste the Instagram Reel link you just copied over here. Wait for it to load. Now, tap on Download. Tap on Download. Tap on Download again to confirm. You have now successfully downloaded this reel. You will find the reel in the Downloads folder. Open it and then tap on the share icon at the bottom left corner. Here, you can view all the sharing options available. Scroll down and tap on Save Video. Now go back again and open the TikTok application. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the plus icon in the middle. Now, go to Media at the bottom right corner. From here, select the video you just downloaded and then tap on Next. Here, you can add a caption and also manage other settings before posting. Following these steps, you can easily share Instagram Reels to TikTok.